Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to add table of contents in Google Docs. So without taking much time, I'll dive into right away how to add table of contents in Google Docs. So at first, you must go into Google Docs and find for insert, and below, or if you scroll down a little, you'll see table of contents at the last. So you just hover over it and you'll see the size or with blue links that you'd like, or with page numbers if you'd like. So I like it with page numbers, so I don't have anything as of now. So you'll see this. And if you have contents or table of contents, or if you have sorted out the headings, the table of content will be displayed as you'd like right here. So this is how you create or add a table of content in Google Docs. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.